Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back to our channel. If you're like us that loves to travel, camping, and road trips, you're gonna need a lot of storage, right? Well, the Tesla Model Y has a lot of storage, but sometimes that's not enough. So we have a solution for that, okay? Let's go. Our friends from EVBASE hooked us up with a roof rack. I could add a cargo box, a bike rack, or for us, because we love to snowboard, I want to add a ski rack. Tesla offers a roof rack for the Model Y, but for $500. Luckily, EVBASE hooked me up with a roof rack that's basically the same thing, but for half the price. And if you use our discount code, you will get an extra 20% off. All right, so let's go ahead and see what's in the box. There is not a lot to this kit. We have the two crossbars here. We have the rubber feet. We have the keys to lock it. We've got all the hardware that we need and tools. We have the cover caps. These here are the PPF stickers. So let's get started. Let's get this roof rack installed. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is clean the edges because we are going to stick some stickers on here. Just make sure they are clean. So next is to look for the arrows that Tesla provides on the glass roof. It's somewhere around here, but I don't know if the camera can capture it. Okay, so the next step is to take these stickers that are provided and stick them on top of the painted sections of your car, right in line with these arrows. I put some blue tape so that I know where to find them, because it's kind of hard to look for those arrows. So I put some blue tapes and mark them with an arrow. Okay, so let's stick the stickers on all four corners. Just like that. And I will repeat the process on the other three sides. So next step is we have to install these clips, and these clips will go in the seal area between your car and the glass. Just like that. Just wiggle it a little bit, and now I will repeat the process on all three sides. All right, now that we have all the clips engaged, the next step is to install these four rubber feet, and they have specific locations. They are listed on here. This is labeled L1. They give you a little picture on each one of these feet to tell you where exactly they need to go. All you have to do is slide this on. L1 is on the driver's side. And L2 right here. And repeat the process on the other side. Then R1 goes to the passenger side, and R2 right here, and that's it. All right, now it's time to install the crossbars. These crossbars are two different lengths, so the longer one goes in the front, just like that. And then the short ones goes to the back. Okay, just screw this down. Just like that. Or you can use the pry tool to screw this down. Or I think it's easier to use the Allen wrench that they provided as well. Okay, this time I'm gonna use the pry tool. Make sure it's not too tight because you don't want to break the glass. Now I will repeat the process on all three sides. Okay, so once you tighten all the nuts, make sure it's secured, give it a wiggle. There shouldn't be any loose nuts. Yep. Just pull it a little bit, give it a wiggle. All right, they're tight. They're not going anywhere. Next is use the key to lock each one in place, just like that. The last step is to put this cover on and just snap them into place. Just like that. All right, there you have it. The roof rack from EVBASE. I can now add a snowboard rack for the next snowboard season. It looks good. Really easy to install. It's not that hard. All right, so if you think this product is right for you, I'll leave a link in the description below. Make sure you use that discount code ARCHNIC to get an extra 20% off. That'll save you a little bit of money. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.